Okay, today we are talking about how to change spark plugs, whether you are a do-it-yourselfer or you're in facilities maintenance, fleet maintenance, etc. So here's the tools and supplies we will be using today: a torque wrench, a 5/8 spark plug socket, 3/8 ratchet and extension, our 4 new spark plugs, iridium tip, our spark plug gap tool, some dielectric grease, and not pictured here, we'll use a little bit of anti-seize compound on the new threads when we install the new spark plugs. Here in the owner's manual, you can see we need to set our gap for our spark plugs at 0.043 inches or 1.1 millimeters. And it gives you the spark plug part numbers here as well. Woo! Next, we'll remove the 10 millimeter bolt that holds down the coil. We'll go one at a time. And then we also need to gently disconnect this wire connector. Gently pull the coil assembly out. Now, using our ratchet and our spark plug socket, we'll go ahead and remove the first old spark plug. It's a good idea to inspect your old spark plugs, check for oiliness, damage, cracks, etc. These have some carbon buildup, a little bit of brown burn spots on the white insulator, but that's about it. I like to compare the old to the new, make sure the right length, etc. Now, I recommend checking the spark plug gap on all of your new spark plugs. Don't just assume that they've been gapped properly. One side is in inches, one side is in millimeters. Now, I did apply a tiny amount of anti-seize to the threads on the new spark plugs and a tiny amount of the dielectric grease to the end of the spark plug that goes up inside of the coil boot. You don't want to get any of that grease anywhere near the spark plug end that goes down inside your engine. Now we will go ahead and torque the spark plug to 13 foot-pounds. And be careful, you don't want to over tighten the little 10mm bolts that hold the coils down. Remember to reattach your wire connector. So when I come across a spark plug that needs to be opened slightly where the gap is too narrow, I very, very gently pry it open with a pair of needle nose. And I'm talking super gently because you can break these and overstretch them. I hope this video tutorial helps you. Please consider subscribing if you got value out of this video. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.